Welcome back. This time we have variables on both sides. First step, we're going to decide where do you want your variable stay. I'm going to let the c stay here. You can let your c stay there. Different approaches. If you calculate it correctly, we're going to have the same solution. Oh, remember, sometimes might not have a solution, or might have all the real numbers as solutions. Okay, let's find it out. What do we have? Minus c, and positive and negative cancel out. 4c minus c, 4, and a negative 1, that gives me 3c. Rewrite. Since your variable stays on your right-hand side, we can have this constant stay on the left-hand side. Therefore, I'm going to add 7, add 7. I run a space here. I'm just going to write down here. Then I have 27 equals 3c. Almost done. We're going to isolate c by dividing by 3 each side. Division property of equality. Now, what do we have for c? c is 9. All right. We're going to work on this one. Early, we let the variable stay on the right side. This time, we're going to try to let it stay on the left side to see what we get. Okay? All right. We're going to add 2k, add 2k. And we have cancel out. And negative k, copy down, 17. Now, we decided that the k stay on the left side. And we're going to minus 9, cancel out. And k is what? Negative k is 17 minus 9 gives us 8. But it's a negative k. So divide by 1, k is negative 8. Guess what? We finished. But the better way is actually let the k stay on the right side, because that will save you one step. Okay, let's try that. Oh, you can turn it off because you already got done everything beautifully. Save a step. Let's see if it works. Plus, cancel out. Rewrite, plus k. Minus, oh, cancel out. K is negative 8. Do you see that? It even looks shorter. Okay, that's how we solve equations with variables on both sides. Happy learning.